Imagine a world where speed knows no limits and luxury defies gravity. Welcome to Elite Motors Hub. Today we are not just looking at cars, we are looking at the future. From shape-shifting aerodynamics to engines that roar with the power of a storm, here are the top 5 insane hypercars coming in 2026 that will blow your mind. Number 1 is absolutely impossible. Let's dive in. Kicking off at number 5, we have the Neon Spectre. While still a concept, rumors suggest this electric beast will shatter the 0 to 60 record, doing it in under 1.5 seconds. With a chassis made entirely of recycled carbon fiber and a cockpit that looks like a spaceship, it's not just a car, it's a statement. At number 4, the Rolls-Royce Celestial. Forget roads. This car is designed to float on air suspension so advanced you won't feel a pebble. It features an AI driver that learns your mood and adjusts the interior lighting and music instantly. It's a private jet for the streets. Number 3 is pure adrenaline, the Bugatti Tourbillon 2026. While keeping the soul of a V16 engine, it integrates hybrid technology to push over 1,800 horsepower. The design is sharper, angrier, and more aerodynamic than ever before. It is mechanical perfection. We are just scratching the surface of what's coming. Which of these dream machines would you park in your garage? Let us know in the comments below. If you love cars, speed, and luxury, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This is Elite Motors Hub. Drive safe and see you in the next one.